one switch, one bulb with holder. I connected with wires. If we switch on, bulb is glowing. If we switch off, bulb is not glowing. Thank you. Bye bye. My name is Samaya. As I standard, I prepared a simple electricity circuit. I had taken one battery, one switch, one bulb with holder and connecting wires. I connected all these components and made a simple electricity circuit. If I switch on, the bulb glows. If I switch off, the not glows. Thank you, Anana. Bye bye.
I am N. Revan Prakash. I am studying 7th standard. Today I have prepared a simple electric circuit. Simple electric circuit made by battery, bulb, switch. Do you know what is simple electric circuit? Simple electric circuit prepared by battery, bulb, switch, wires. This is called simple electric circuit. In our home supermarket we found many single circuits, but this is single circuit, so this is called simple electric circuit. This is battery, this is a bulb, this is a switch connecting wires. If I on the switch, the bulb is glows. If I off the switch, the bulb not glows. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Studying 7th standard. Today I had simple electric circuit made by one battery, one switch, one bulb and wires. Do you know what is simple electric circuit? Single circuit made by battery, switch, bulb and wires is called simple electric circuit. If we switch on, the bulb is glows. If we switch off, the bulb is not glows. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
I am Narasimha, standard 7th standard. Today I am prepared simple electricity circuit. I have taken one battery, one switch and bulb with holder and taking all the wires. I connected all three components and made a simple electricity circuit. If I switch on, the bulb is glow. If I switch, bulb will not glow. Thank you, Ananda. Bye bye. My name is G. Rajamohan. I am studying 7th standard. Today I prepared a simple electric circuit. I taken battery, switch, bulb with a holder. I connected all these components with wires. If I switch on, the bulb is glows. I switch off, the bulb is not glows. Thank you, Ananda. Bye bye.
I am studying 7th standard. I prepared the simple electric circuit. I had taken one battery, one switch, one bulb with holder. I connecting all these wires, all these components made a simple electric circuit. I switch on, the bulb is glow. If I switch off, not glows. Bye bye. Thanks.
Today prepared simple electricity circuit. One battery, one switch, one bulb with holder, connecting wires. The switch on, the bulb in glow. Switch off, the bulb in off. Thank you, Ananda. Bye bye.
Prepared simple electric circuit. I taken one battery, one switch, one bulb with holder. I connecting all these wires. I connected all these components with simple electric circuit. The switch is on, the bulb is glow. The switch is off, the bulb is not glow. Thank you, Ananda.